Oscar Isaac, the famous star from Moon Knight, has a massive net worth of $10 million. The actor has collected his net worth from various movies and series. While Oscar Isaac has had many roles that people might not know about, over the past 10 years or so, we have seen him in even bigger and better films. Now that he is a famous actor, he has become a very rich man. So, what does he do with all that money? And what is his rich lifestyle like? Let's find out. Oscar spends a major part of his net worth traveling the world. The actor has been to Paris and many other great destinations some of us only dream of visiting. He has been spotted in the Maldives and Bora Bora soaking up the sun with his girlfriend. When he's not traveling, Oscar Isaac spends time in his luxurious home, and the features of his home are definitely going to surprise you all. Later in this video, you are going to find out why. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss the millionaire lifestyle of Moon Knight star Oscar Isaac. So make sure to watch the video to the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. We have seen Oscar Isaac grow into a famous actor and score some impressive roles over the years. He's gone from a normal actor to being in Star Wars, and he's about to make his Marvel Cinematic Universe debut in Moon Knight, a show in which he is the lead actor. Oscar Isaac earned about $500,000 for his participation in Star Wars: The Force Awakens back in 2015. He also makes a lot of money from television sponsorships and other endorsements. The main movies the actor has been in are Moavi, which earned him $217,391, Tiki Taki, which earned him $256,000, and Gravity, which earned him $300,000. Finally, we have Show Me a Hero, which earned him about $450,000. Clearly, the actor earns a lot of money for his various roles. So, what makes his life so luxurious? Well, that's next on our list. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Though Oscar Isaac is clearly a well-off man, he doesn't really flaunt things like many others seem to do. We do know some of the major things that the actor owns though. From what we know, Oscar Isaac owns an apartment in Williamsburg, Brooklyn in New York City. Unlike many other actors, he doesn't have a huge mansion out in Los Angeles. He opted for a very nice and elegant apartment in the Big Apple. The main reason that he owns this apartment is because of its prime location. His home is worth about $650,000. In one of his posts on Instagram, he shared a photo of a bracelet. The pricey bracelet looks super amazing on his wrist. He also flaunts many other bracelets, one of which is from Galore Jewelry Inc., a jeweler who works with major celebrities. Oscar Isaac is known for his unique personality, and what sets him apart from others is the brands he chooses while shopping. They are definitely very expensive. He made it clear that his interest in clothes had made him reach another level altogether, both personally and professionally. In an interview in 2013, he explained that one of his suits was from Savile Row, one of the famous suit makers where suits start at $5,000, or from Tom Ford, which usually costs around $4,640. Yes, he is one of those actors who chooses to impress the audience with his style, and it seems like it has worked pretty well for him. Another luxurious purchase of his is time. He really buys time. Oh, we mean watches. Oscar is known to change his watch according to his schedule and mood. On days he has meeting, he wears a Patek Philippe, a brand that carries simpler models and costs over $80,000. On more casual days, when he seems a little relaxed, he opts for a Rolex, which costs over $5,000 on simpler models. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about the millionaire lifestyle of Moon Knight star Oscar Isaac? What about Oscar's lifestyle did you love the most? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.